Pruning is not a form of punishment. But wait, what is pruning? In a general sense, pruning involves cutting certain parts of a plant to promote better growth. Pruning occurs when God helps us grow by presenting challenges and difficult times. Pruning is crucial for plant growth. It is also crucial for the spiritual development of believers. It's often challenging, but it's necessary. Here are 3 signs indicating that God is pruning you. A primary sign that God is pruning you is a shift in your priorities. You start valuing what God values over worldly desires. You choose God's ways over the world's ways. You yearn for spiritual growth and a closer relationship with God. You prioritize what God instructs you to do. By seeking God first, we align our priorities with His will, focus on spiritual growth and serving others, trusting that God will meet our needs. This shift shows what is truly important in God's eyes. You are where you need to be. The pruning is occurring and bearing fruit. Another sign of God pruning you is increased difficulties in life. Life becomes tougher than expected. You face unforeseen challenges frequently. It feels like your faith and character are continually tested and scrutinized. God is pruning you to strengthen your faith and character. He's preparing you for greater things. He's positioning you to fully depend on Him. Distractions are being eliminated and your talents are being honed. You gain a clearer sense of purpose and direction. You feel a strong conviction about your unique role in life. You move forward with confidence, knowing you are equipped for the tasks ahead. God created each of us for specific purposes. During this pruning season, we are being prepared to fulfill the purpose God has for us. He provides us with a clearer sense of direction. Our lives have divine purpose, not randomness. God equips us for the tasks He has planned for us. These are just a few signs of being pruned. Unproductive aspects are being removed and positive growth is occurring. The flesh cannot please God, so He guides us through this journey to prepare us for more in Christ. This process may be challenging, but it benefits us. God is molding us into who He wants us to be.